Assalamualaikum and hi, I'm Musadia and today we will be looking at page 47. This is a grammar lesson. Okay, it's about countable and uncountable nouns. Now we will be looking at what is it exactly. Okay, countable versus uncountable nouns. What is this? And we will do two exercises on these things. It's like macam berjodoh bilangan basically. Okay, and then the last one is an error correction exercise. Okay, first of all, what does it mean by countable and uncountable nouns? Okay, so countable nouns comes from the verb count. Okay, count maksudnya kira. Countable means boleh dikira. Okay, so nouns that can be counted. For example, an apple, two apples. So you nampak, you can see there's only one. There's two. Okay, and then uncountable noun means things that cannot be counted. Okay, things like air, rice, water, and time. Tak boleh kira these things. Okay. Now, we will be looking at macam mana kita nak gambarkan these benda-benda yang boleh dikira, tak boleh dikira. Okay. Tentang bilangan dia. Okay. Now, let's look at the first one. For things which are singular, satu, okay, and countable, we use a or an for positive sentences. Okay, so maksudnya ayat biasalah. Okay. And then for negative sentences or question pun sama juga. If it's countable and then it's singular, it's very easy. You know that you have to use a or an. Okay. Kat sini crocodile. There's only one crocodile, so there's a crocodile in there. And there's only one dog. I don't have a dog. Okay. Next you have countable noun, tapi this one plural. Banyak. Okay, so tadi singular. This one is plural. Okay, so for plural noun we use some. Okay, so contoh some penguins. Okay, tahu dia plural because ada s kat belakang dia. Okay, and then penguin you can count. Contohnya, I saw some penguins at the zoo. And then for negative question, we don't use some. We use any or many. Okay, I didn't see any lions. Okay, or many lions. Okay, any or many lah. And then the last one is we have uncountable noun yang tak boleh dikira tadi. Okay, so we use some or a lot of. Okay, and then contoh this one, traditional African food. Makanan traditional Africa, that one is uncountable, tak boleh kira. So that's why you use some. Okay, and another one is fun. You cannot count fun. Macam mana nak kira fun? Ke seronok ke I seronok? Macam mana nak kira seronok? Okay, so you use a lot of. Okay, then we have negative sentence and question. We use any or much. Okay, contoh, there wasn't any time to go on safari. So time is uncountable. And then money is also uncountable. So how much money do we have? Okay, so don't worry, this one macam like pening-pening sikit. So teacher dah summarize kan, dah rumuskan for you. It's actually macam ni je. Okay, so for countable, you use a and an. Okay, sama for negative, and then countable or countable plural dengan uncountable tengok sama tau. Some, a lot of. Uncountable pun some and a lot of. Yang berbezanya hanyalah this one. Many and then much. Okay? There's actually an easier way to remember, but apa? Nak bagi you fahamkan dulu. Okay, now next. Exercise 2. Exercise 2, we focus on a and some and any. Okay, tengok. Dia cakap, copy and complete the sentences with a or an, some or any. Okay, so pilihan jawapan dia hanyalah dekat sini. You kena pilih dekat sini sahaja. Okay, mula-mula sekali what do? You highlight the noun. Cari noun. Okay, contoh the first one. I like information, please. Okay, apa noun dekat sini? Information. Okay, second one. Is there airport near the wildlife reserve? Okay, so the noun is airport. Third, shall I bring camera? So the noun is camera. Okay, so number 4 and 5, try cari which one is the noun. Okay, after you find out the noun, you tengok balik dekat table tu. Okay. Okay, is this one? Okay, information. Contoh the first one ya, information. You rasa, is it countable or uncountable? Okay, maklumat. So maklumat, how do you kira maklumat? Tak boleh kira, so it's actually uncountable. Okay, so it's uncountable. Okay, kita dah jumpa mungkin jawapan dia antara 4 ni lah. Some, a lot of, much or any. Okay, but we don't know. Okay, after that you tengok the sentence. Is it positive sentence or negative or question? Okay, so it's actually positive. So maksudnya the answer would be here. Some or a lot of. Okay. Now, pilihan jawapan dia ada some, any, a or n. So which one yang ada dekat sini? Some or a lot of? Which one? The answer is actually some. Okay, so you write down, I like some information, please. Okay. Also, okay, teacher tak explain kot tadi. Negative sentence maksudnya yang ada not. Like, I don't, I have not. Okay. Right, so the rest also you buat macam tu. You tengok dulu, is it countable or uncountable? Contoh, the airport. Okay, countable or not? Okay, and then this one is a question. So maksudnya jawapan dia mestilah dekat sini. Alright. Okay, next. Exercise 4. This one is a lot of, many, and much. Okay, look at the picture. Then correct the sentences. Disuruh tengok gambar ni and then correct the sentences. Disuruh betulkan ayat-ayat ni. Which means all 4 of these, okay, all these 4 sentences adalah salah. So disuruh you betulkan. Use a lot of, many, and much. Okay, so jawapan dia hanyalah 3 ni je. Okay, so same thing. What you do is you cari the noun. Okay, contoh the first one, the noun is sun cream. She hasn't got much sun cream. Okay. And then the second one, lagi satu cara nak cari the noun is, dia adalah perkataan selepas benda-benda ni. Selepas a lot of, selepas some, selepas any. Okay, contoh number 2, the noun is mosquito bites. Okay, then number 3, space. Okay, then number 4, I don't know which one is the noun. Okay, let's look at the contoh yang dia bagi, clothes. Okay, now clothes, is it countable or uncountable? Okay, now clothes is actually uncountable. Tak boleh kira. Contoh dekat gambar ni lah. Tak boleh kira. Banyak sangat. Okay. And then, dia nak suruh you betulkan. This one is negative sentence, hasn't got. So, nak suruh tukar jadi positive sentence. Okay, she has got. Okay, mari tengok dia punya table tadi. Okay, uncountable. Okay. And then positive sentence. So, it should be here. The answer should be here. Some ataupun a lot of. Tengok balik dekat ayat ni. Dia suruh you guna a lot of, many, or much. So, apa yang ada dekat sini? A lot of lah. So, that's the answer. A lot of. Okay, so that's what the answer is. She has got a lot of clothes. Okay. Number 1 also. Look at this one. Sun cream. Sun cream. Same thing. Is it countable or uncountable? Sun cream. If you don't know, right, you can Google, tengok, is it countable or uncountable? Okay, so sun cream is actually uncountable. Okay, now tengok the sentence. Yang ni adalah negative sentence. Dia suruh you tukar. She hasn't got much sun cream. Okay, ya ke tak ada banyak? Banyak ni dia punya sun cream ni. Okay, that's a lot. Banyak gila. Okay, so the correct answer is hasn't you tukar jadi has. Okay, so positive sentence sama juga. Jawapan dia akan jadi some or a lot of. Okay, again, make sure you check the instruction tadi. Arahan dia. A lot of, many, much. So the answer is a lot of lah. She has got a lot of sun cream. Okay, so that's for exercise 4. Last one, exercise 5. Okay, read the text about 4 different vertebrates and choose the correct answers. Okay, this one is very easy actually, so you pilih je the correct answer because it's already given. Okay, yang ni kan actually without looking at this table pun you can guess the answer because it's very easy. Contoh I give you very easy. Number 1, what is a vertebrate? It's a or an animal. Okay, so a atau an animal, which one? Animal ni start with the sound a, e, i, o, u, so you use a. An. The correct answer is an. It's an animal with a backbone. See, tak perlu tengok dekat table ni pun. Okay, contoh number 2 pula. Dolphin, this animal looks like the fish or a fish. I don't know this one. Okay, so is it the or a? This is like super easy. The tu tak ada pun in the table. Okay, so the answer is confirm lah. This one. Okay, so very easy. The rest also, you try and do on your own. Okay, contoh, this animal doesn't have any feathers, or does it have feathers? Okay, so and then time. Oh, okay, adalah sesetengah tu boleh tengok juga table ni. Time, contohnya time. Uncountable tadi time. Okay, and then the question is, the sentence is here. It spends much time ke a lot of time? So ayat biasa must be here. Okay, sometime or a lot of time. Much tu kalau you guna negative or questions. Okay, so which one? This one very easy. You just choose, yeah. Okay, so that's all for today. I know that it can be a bit confusing, but I'm keeping this video short so that you don't have to think like it's very long and you tak boleh focus. Okay, so if you have any question, ask me in our Telegram group or below at the comment section. Okay, so that's all for today. We have looked at the differences between countable and uncountable nouns, and then we need to finish. Okay, you need to finish exercise 2, 4, and 5. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for listening. Bye bye.